I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of...
Here today on top of Doi Pui, the Chiang Mai University Agricultural Center, and it's like a little nature reserve up here where they've got the wild cherries, the Sakura blossoms, that are the Himalayan variety, not the Japanese variety.
Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist.
It takes about an hour to drive up here from Chiang Mai. You have to go up Doi Sutep, past the Wat Prapat Doi Sutep, the Doi Sutep temple, and keep going up into the hills where it turns into like a one-lane kind of pretty interesting to navigate pathway up the rest of the mountain, almost to the Hmong village.
Another reason to breathe this air, and now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tell me to someone who will love me.
So now we are in the Hmong village at the top of Doi Pui, and we're, what did you say, it was 1,400 meters above sea level? Oh yeah, there's a little sign right there. 1,400 meters above sea level, and there's some more of these Himalayan Sakura up here. It's a native ethnic minority in Thailand and across the south of China, north of Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia. And this is a typical village that they live in. And it's gorgeous up here, as you can see. Plenty of great scenery around here.
Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I